Hello and welcome folks, this is Krishnendu. Welcome back to my channel. For those who have been following me, I've started a section of motorcycles on my channel, and today I bring you a very special vehicle. It's not a motorcycle, it's an autocycle. This is the Vanderhall Venice. Last year I shot the Vanderhall Carmel. This is the Vanderhall Venice, 1.5 liter turbocharged Chevrolet engine, 195 bhp. With a mere 630 kilos, this thing goes from 0 to 100 in less than 4.5 seconds. That's fast. We got a top speed of 230 kilometers an hour. Look at those tires. Those are 18 wheels in tire. And look at the profile and the width. I mean, look at the class of the tan leather seats. By the way, the leather seats are heated. Talking about the engine, the 1.5 liter inline 4 engine is 275 Nm of torque. That's humongous torque for a vehicle that weighs just 635 kilos. So that's the Venice. And right next to me, that's the Carmel standing there. Well, let me show you a more beautiful Carmel upstairs. Now I'm sitting in the most luxurious three-wheeler ever made. The primary differences between the Carmel and the Venice are like this. The Carmel comes with a door. The Venice doesn't. The Carmel has a roof. The Venice doesn't. And the wheels, the Venice has 18-inch wheels, whereas the Carmel has 19-inch wheels. And in the looks department, the Carmel has these grooves on the front engine which the Venice lacks. Other than that, there's another model, that's the Blackjack. That's a 1.4 liter turbo engine, lesser power, lesser torque. This one is both the Carmel and the Venice, they are 1.5 liter turbocharged inline 4, 194 bhp, 275 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. But what I really like about these vehicles is the trim, the finish, the class, the elegant, the style. This is what makes Vanderhall Vanderhall. Now that's a Carmel for you. There's a beautiful blue accent to it. I don't know if the camera is picking up. I hope you guys like this presentation of the Vanderhalls, the Autocycle. Do leave your comments down in the comment section below of what you think of these kind of vehicles. Premium, lifestyle, elegant, stylish, beautiful vehicles, and fast.